it was made easier because of the friends and family we have in our lives.
The people we work with.
Yeah, sobrang supportive sila sa amin, and they got us through the times.
They remind us it's not time to like be all miserable and that your mum's got, but it's a time to remember her and celebrate her life. Really.
They were there every football game, every training session.
Our dad would miss work just to watch all our games. Like he'd travel like an hour and a half to watch our soccer games, and then he'd go back to work. And then our mum would always, she'd actually learn to drive so she could drive us everywhere.
Yeah, my mum was scared to drive in England, and then she learned
to
drive us.
She was the safest
to drive us around.
She drove really slow.
When we met the boys, Tita Susan was there at all times. For a very long time, she would always say, "Wag mong pababayaan yung mga anak ko." So, naka-ingrain yun sa akin. I don't think they have really grieved. You know, hindi pa sila talagang umiyak and And it's through football that they're healing. Through football and through teaching kids that they're healing with the death of their mom.
How about Kerry?
But I mean, Kerry, mahirap kasi bata pa siya. She doesn't want to talk about it. But we're always there for her.
Yeah, she's been the strongest between us. Like, now and then, when we're with her, she'll let it out. Like just us three, she'll let it out and talk about it more. But we like it when she's surrounded by people. I mean, she has fun. She has a big smile on her face.
Nawalan na sila ng tatay when Kerry was 2 years old. So she really never found a father. And that's where the two brothers come in. So, na-apply nila yung pagiging coach nila as fathers, as brothers to their sister.
Recently, gumawa ng panibagong record ang Ascal sa kanilang pagkapanalo laban sa Singapore.
This September 7th. Where?
September 25, Sarah Rizal Memorial Stadium.
September
25. 3 games.
3 games.
Laban sa Taiwan, Guam,
And Macau.
Okay.
That's the Peace Cup.
Yung pinakamalaking competition.
Pinakamalaki?
November.
November. Okay, saan? Dito?
No, Thailand.
Bangkok.
Suzuki Cup. That's the competition that made the Ascals. Made the Ascals the Ascals.
You've been through a lot for your age. So, ano yung parang most valuable lesson that you've learned?
But it's about the memories I remember the most is when times I've not been afraid to fail, and it's about having a go at things. When it comes to football or in love life, so always have a go at things, and that's what life is. It's a journey.
No matter what happens, no matter how personal life or work or career, you'll always be okay as long as you surround yourself with the right people. That's what we've been able to do so far. That's got us through. Yeah, thank you for being my kuya. Thank you for being there. I'm so lucky to have had James, because especially that we're so close and we've never had to experience anything alone. And we share the same experiences and we've been through the same things. If I have any problems, James understands what I'm going through because he's been through them with me. Very thankful to the Lord, thankful to my mum and dad that they gave me a brother that's always there with me.
So very proud of you. Keep doing what you're doing and continue developing football here.
Our past has always been together and our future will definitely be together. So,
Don't tell Angel.
I mean, even when I marry Angel.
Ayun na, Angel. Okay, I love it.
You'll still be close to me. You can be next door.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
Diba, yung ilang dalawang magkapatid, alam mo, bibigila rin sa mga lalaki yung very sweet, diba? Yung very close sa isa't isa. Kasi nga parang 11 months lang yung agwat nila. So, hindi lang sila magkapatid, kundi mag-best friends pa sila.
Tsaka doon mong mararamdaman na yung pinag-isa sila nung kumbaga na-challenge yung pagiging magkapatid nila nung namatay yung
Daddy, una yung daddy,
saka yung mommy, no? Lalo sila naging close.
And siguro it helps they both play football for the same team.
Yes,
so they're really always together.
Ang maganda rito, alam mo, napapansin ko kay Phil, talagang pinipilit na magtagalog.
Oo.
Kaya cute tignan eh. Kahit na medyo...
Balubalutod. Oo.
Pero I must give it to them, with these two young husbands. Sila ang parang ibigay lalong interesting ng larong football.
Football, oo.
Kasi may mag-interesting ng football. Nung pumasok silang dalawa, dahil na yung ASCAL, di ba? Dahil naging kapanapanayam, tignan talaga yung football ngayon.
Tsaka maganda yung ginagawa nila kasi parang meron silang mga camps, mga summer camps for the kids. Kasi yung mga kids ko nag-enroll dun sa kanilang summer camp. So, nakakatuwa kasi syempre para at least ma-introduce sa mga kabataan namang ang sports at yung football, hindi lang yung basketball.
At sabi nga nila, yun ang kanilang outlet nung namatay yung parents.
Yung football.
Yung football, yung pagtuturo ng football sa mga kids.
Alam mo, aside from football kay Phil, kasama ko sa minsan kasi, mahilig kumanta yan.
Oo.
Hilig siya kumanta.
Tama.
Especially nung time na kasama ko siya, kinanta niya kay David Cook. David Cook na yung mga kanta.
David
Cook. Hilig.
Talaga?
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, mas maganda ang football.
So, mahilig siya kumanta pero yung kanta hindi yata masyadong mahilig sa kanya.
Pero nakakatuwa.
Nakakatuwa siya.
Nagtatry siya magtagalog. Talagang influensya rin siguro yan ng kanyang girlfriend.
Tsaka plus siguro kasi dito na sila nakatira. Dito sila nakatira. So talagang half Filipino naman sila. So talagang sinusubukan talaga.
Tsaka, yan nga sinabi nila that they're taking care of their sister.
Ang gagandahan ito, hindi sila kakaiba sa Filipino tradition. Yung magkapatid, kahit
kultura.
To think na may half-breed sila, di ba?
Yes.
Katulad natin, half German, half Spitz, half German, half Shepherd.
May ganyan Pero minsan alam mo na pagkakamalan kami magkapatid ni Phil.
Talaga?
Oo, sa Twitter.
Oo?
Oo, naaliw naman ako. Sabi, eto yung kamukha mo, OG, si Phil yung husband. Kaya pala nung one time, nagkita kami ni Angel.
Kinis ka niya?
Hindi.
Ay, hindi naman. Ano?
Wala, inisnab niya ako. Hindi, joke.
Hindi, yung sinasabi ko nga, yung kanila tradisyon na pagiging Pilipino, andun pa rin na pagmamahal ng mga kapatid, pagbibigay at pagpaalaga ng mas bata sa kanila.
Tsaka yung respect nila for each other. Tsaka kuya nga ang tawag kahit 11 months lang. Kuya pa rin yung...
Kuya pa rin.
Si James. Si James ang mas matanda ng 11 months. Pero nung lumalaki na nga sila, nung mga bata wala daw kuya-kuya. Pero nung lumalaki, kuya na daw ang tawag ni Phil kay James.
Alam mo, medyo interesting lang dito na wala na yung daddy nila, wala yung mami nila, wala yung kapatid silang maliit.
Oo, yun ang kanilang philosophy.
Parang silang dalawang umaakto ngayon na bilang middle family, di ba?
Yes.
Parang sa unang edad nila ngayon, parang just ko na-imagine pa yung popularity nila, yung fame nila, yung pagka-youth nila ngayon. Parang
And all the responsibility that they now have.
Yes, the responsibility they have given by sister right now.
Oo. Kaya nga very thankful silang magkapatid kasi nga dun sa mga extended family, sa mga tita, sa mga cousins. Kasi nga, kumbaga, kung wala sila, hindi na magiging ganito yung buhay nila.
Kaya alam ko na ngayon, kaya lovable ang mga young husbands. Dahil may humility sila.
Kaya
Aside from the good looks.
Kaya sa magkapatid na young husbands, kung gusto niyo pang matuto magtagalog, tuturuan ko kayo. Hindi, actually kami, tuturuan ko kayo magtagalog, tuturuan ko mag-English.
May accent pa yun,
May accent.
Anyway, susunod ang kwento ng magkapatid